Listen, in 2024, we're not playing with our hair care routine. You see this DIY oatmeal hair mask. This is one of the secret sauce that has totally transformed my hair, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this from scratch. And if you've been looking for something to use on your hair that is inexpensive, keep watching. So you want to use any kind of oatmeal you have in your kitchen pantry. This is what I'm using currently, the old-fashioned rolled oats. So I take about half a cup of this oatmeal, and you want to measure it based on how thick your hair is and the quantity that you need for your hair. Just, add water like you would do you're cooking your regular oatmeal, and then let it cook. After that, transfer to your blender and just blend it. You don't want to add too much water because you don't want the consistency to be too runny. So this is the step you should not skip. In order to get like a smooth paste, you need to be able to remove any shaft or particles in the oats. So you need to sieve it in like a strainer. What I use is this old wheat cap. You can use any wheat cap that you have. That works as a great strainer. And you just like strain the oatmeal through. The reason why you need to do this is if you put the oatmeal mixture in your hair like that, trust me, it's going to leave white particles in your hair. After straining, I add about a few spoons of the Oatmeal Deep Conditioner. This is totally optional. If you just want it to be thicker, that's a good one to add. And then I add about a tablespoon of honey. This definitely gives you some added moisture in your hair, and you can be generous with it. I went ahead to add a splash of olive oil and then a few drops of castor oil, and there you have it. Just mix all your ingredients thoroughly until it's like smooth and ready to go. So here I am applying this to my daughter's hair, and this mask actually helps with itchiness or dryness. It helps with hair growth, and also it's packed with a lot of anti-inflammatory properties that help calm irritated skin. I'm going to leave this on for about 30 minutes to an hour to really allow the nutrients to deeply nourish her hair and scalp. And that's it. Do this consistently for shinier, softer, and thicker hair. So if you're on the lookout for a natural, nourishing way to boost hair growth and maintain a healthy scalp, then you definitely want to give this oatmeal hair mask a try.